Here's a little bit of information about how to use the personal page. So I'm going to share screen so that you can see my page. And here at the beginning of the semester in this course, we're mostly just going to be working on those first two, peruse all ideas and the list of ideas. And here's the main difference between those two. So the peruse all ideas are where you're going to capture like kind of more factual knowledge, terms, concepts, and so forth, so you don't forget them. And you'll label them by the chapter. So for example, here I've put one that's from, I just call that book Ignite for short. This one's from chapter 2. So you'll have chapter 1. I would imagine you'd probably have between 5 and 15 key points from each chapter. This one that I've written here is from chapter 2. And as you can see, it's very factual. Now, the list of ideas is also going to come from the books you read, like Ignite. But in this case, instead of being like broad factual ideas and facts, it's specifically what you want to apply in your classes. And this one is going to be done differently. Instead of just like a bullet point list, I want you to do it as a chart. And the chart will have these 3 sections: important idea, why it's important, and then my specific application ideas from my own classroom. And make it really specific. So you can see an important idea from Ignite Chapter 2 is use video clips to capture attention. Why? Well, because videos combine sound, visuals, and motion and more, which engages more parts of the brain. And then my specific idea was use the video from Edutopia that shows the teachers hooking students to get them interested in the Declaration of Independence. That's just a video that I love to use. They don't mention it in the book, but it's right here. I'm thinking about how do I want to use videos? Well, I want to use this specific video in this specific way. So to put a chart in like this, I'll show you how I did it. Come up here. Let's say I was doing Ignite Chapter 1, and I wanted to put in the chart. I'd go up here to Insert, and then Table. And then you kind of pull your cursor to make sure it's at least 3 columns across, and then make however many columns you want. I'm just going to make 2 for now. And then you would put these ideas in, or these headings in. And every time you want another row, you just put your cursor in the last box in the lower right-hand corner and click Tab, and another one will come up. So that's how you do it. If you have other questions, let me know. I'm going to stop share and say goodbye.